So we are unboxing the Hamilton Beach pasta maker. Oh, it's a box in a box. Now you can see the top. Okay, well. Put the knife down before I poke myself. Well, there's pieces in there. Maybe I can just... Alright, electric pasta maker. Has 7 discs. Alright. Comes with 2 measuring cups. 200 milliliter, 210 milliliters. Cups and nice. One full measuring cup, 200 grams. So liquid and dry. Little side. Right down there. So for my purchase, instruction manual. And then the disc. So you get 1, 2. This one looks like little angel hair pastas. Whatever that gizmo is. Yeah, whatever kind of noodle you can make with that, we'll find out. Some maybe fettuccine noodles. Maybe the other one was fettuccine. Some macaroni noodles. Spaghetti noodles. Okay, let's see. Ooh, a little toothbrush. No, it's to clean these little guys. And a little poker. Ouch, son of a gun. Okay, that just got me. Don't do that. Be a little more careful than me. And then you can poke out the things. Put your eye out with that. Woo. I'm bleeding. We got a bleeder. Okay, now my finger's wet. Well, at least I'm not making pasta right now. Alright, so nothing more in the box. That is the top of the pasta maker. So I don't know how any of this works. So noodles come out this end. Interchangeable doodads. Oh, and this, my favorite part, is the drawer. You can put all your little doohickeys in. Like that. So you don't lose your pieces. Would have been cool if they had like a little measuring hay thing or something for your poker. Squeeze. Oh, squeeze to them all. There we go. Okay, so this comes off. And then there's where you put all your ingredients. How this comes. Okay. So there. Ow, okay, I'm bleeding all over. So there you go. The sides, top, Hamilton Beach. It's a little scratched up.
What are the sides?
Knead dough, extrude pasta, quick pasta, pasta, 0 scale, start and stop. So I don't know what any of this means, so I will have to go through and read it. Again, this is the Hamilton Beach pasta maker. And I got it on Amazon. I think for around $119. And it had really good ratings, that's why I chose it. And it wasn't as expensive as some of the other ones.
There'll be a
So,
link below.
huh?
There'll be a link below.
Yes, and there'll be a link below. So there you have it. The Hamilton Beach pasta machine unboxing. We will do another video about how it works and show you some noodles. Some noodles.
Review coming soon.
Sure. Yeah. This one would be cool if it had like a thing, because that one sits in there.
Yeah.
I guess that would take up more counter space. What is going on? Just okay.
Just had to get your fingers in there, didn't you?
Of course. Yeah, what is going on with this though? It's like all banged up already. See that?
Yep.
I mean, I thought this was supposed to be new. I bought it new.
We'll find out how it works.
Huh?
So we'll find out how it works.
Yep.
Tell people what's going on. Thumbs up
So far, thumbs up.
so far.
Yeah, I mean, I think the main seller for me was this.
The drawer.
Yeah. Just so I
Simple
don't have
pleasures.
to. Yeah. Well, and this is dangerous.
No, but it's a cool thing to have to clean it out.
Yeah, but look at that. It took
Yeah.
my finger out. Ooh. Don't brush your teeth with this one.
All right.